Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to remove hidden or unauthorized access from your Facebook account. Sometimes unknown devices, apps, or sessions stay connected silently, and this can risk your privacy. Step 1. Check active sessions. Go to Settings and Privacy, greater than Security and Login. Under where you're logged in, review all devices and locations. Log out from any unknown or suspicious session immediately. Step 2, secure your password. Change your Facebook password to a strong one. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and don't reuse old passwords. Step 3, enable two-factor authentication. Go to security and log in greater than two-factor authentication. Turn on 2FA using an authenticator app. This blocks hidden access even if someone knows your password. Step 4. Remove third-party app access. Go to Settings greater than Apps and Websites. Remove apps or games you don't recognize or no longer use. These apps can silently access your data. Step 5. Review business and page access. Open settings greater than business integrations and page access. Remove unknown admins, editors, or partners. Step 6, check email and phone security. Confirm your email and phone number are correct and secure. Secure your email account first, then Facebook. Step 7, run a security checkup. Go to security checkup and complete all steps. Facebook will scan for risks and hidden access. Finally, if you suspect hacking, report it using facebook.com/hacked. Follow recovery steps carefully. So yeah, removing hidden Facebook access means logging out unknown sessions, changing passwords, enabling 2FA, removing apps, checking page access, securing email, and running security checkup. Follow these steps and your account will be fully secured again. Hello everyone, today